Leftover bananas make a delicious Bananas Foster coffee cake. Let me show you how. This is the step-by-step process I use to make a Bananas Foster coffee cake. First thing we want to do is add 3 bananas into a frying pan. Add 3 tablespoons of rum, half a cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of butter until it's melted and the mixture is bubbly. Remove from heat and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir it in and let this sit. Now for the second segment of this recipe. We want to get 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of butter. We want to stir that together and mix it until it's smooth. Then we want to add 1 cup of brown sugar, and after that's all blended in, we're going to add 2 eggs. Let everything get blended together, and then we'll work on our dry ingredients. Now we want to add 3 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We want to blend that together, and then we're going to take our wet mixture and slowly add that to the dry mixture, blending everything together. Now we're going to blend the banana mixture into the batter. Once that's mixed, we're going to pour that into our 9x13 baking pan. Now we combine a cup of chopped pecans, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. We're going to stir this together and then pour this on top of the cake batter. We're going to put this in an oven that's been preheated to 350 and cook it for about 45 minutes. We may need to go a few minutes earlier or later than that, depending on how your oven cooks. The best way to tell if it's done is if you put a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. While the cake is baking in the oven, we can make the rum sauce. We need to get a saucepan, and we're going to add 1.5 cups of heavy cream and stir it around while it's heating till it comes to a simmer. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of rum, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and once everything's stirred together, we're going to remove it from the heat and add 1/2 cup of sugar. Once that's all stirred together, we'll put that on the side, and when the cake is done, we will drizzle this on top of the cake. A lot of steps, but it's very good, it's very tasty, and I can't say how much I really enjoy this. If you find value in this, please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.